Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gisou, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this really short, sleek, cute look. I've been really loving this look lately. It's been like my everyday go-to look. It's a really easy hairstyle. It doesn't require any heat, so yeah, that just makes it better. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I did my makeup first, so my hair is very dry now, so I have to make sure that my hair is damp. So I'm just gonna use a little bottle and make sure that my hair is wet before I do anything. So yeah, my hair is very dry now. My hair doesn't have to be soaking wet, but it definitely has to be damp. Okay, so once my hair is damp, I'm just gonna take my little comb and just brush it. Add more where needed. So the first product I'm going to use is the Gisou Prep Me Primer. I'm going to use about this much. Just rub it in. Taking my comb again and just brushing. I want to make sure it's evenly applied all over my hair. Now, okay, so for the second product, I'm going to be using the Kristin S Volume Lifting Spray. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a part. It's not easy now because my hair is very short, very slippery as well. I might have used a little bit too much product. I'm just gonna so I'm just gonna brush. Once I have my part, I'm then gonna go in with the volume spray, and I'm only gonna apply it here because this is where I want volume. Everything else I'm gonna style down except for this part. So I'm just gonna spray where needed. So this is where I want all the volume. So for the third product, I'm going to be using the Davine Playable Paste. And this is what's going to give my hair the hold that it needs. I'm definitely going to use a good amount of this, and I will probably need more, but I can add more later on. So just warm it up in my hands. And I apply it mostly where I need it, which is here. But of course also the rest of my hair. But I'm gonna need it especially here. I will be needing more. Okay, so I'm gonna take my comb again. Okay, so now I know what I'm gonna be working with. First thing I'm gonna do is, I want this to be very sleek, so I'm gonna brush this down behind my ears. Okay. So first I'm gonna make sure the back is nice and smooth. I wanna create some volume here. So I don't want it completely flat on my head. So I'm gonna go very gently up using a very light pressure. I'm just gonna play with it until I get it right. I'm gonna go straight up here. I'm touching it very lightly. I don't want to press it down. I want it to go slightly up and then to the side. So I'm using very light pressure. Using a little bit more of this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like once my hair is completely dry. I'm not gonna be using any heat, so... But this is what it looks like now. I really like it, it's very sleek. I don't mind going about my day looking like this. I like it, I think it's very sleek, it's shiny. I like the smoothness, so it doesn't really bother me. Okay, so see you later. Okay, so my hair is completely dry now. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute. Now there is like some crustiness on my hair. This is what's going to make my hair last for days. this is what my hair looks like on day 2. I didn't have to do anything to it. I did not brush it. I did not add any water. However, by probably day 3 or 4, I might wake up with some bits of hair standing straight, but it is very easy to fix. I just add a little bit of water and I can bring it back down with my fingers or a comb. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like after sleeping on it. So I hope you liked the video, and if it helped you in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And that's it for today's video, and I'd like to thank you for watching.